How to see your password on Roblox mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can view password on Roblox mobile. Well, the process itself is actually simple and easy, so let me guide you quick through this video. And the first question is, can you view your password on Roblox mobile? If you open up Roblox app where you are logged into your account, tap on more options, you'll find various options. If you head into settings, you'll get various options. You can see account info where you'll be able to view account info, but you won't be able to find the password. Now it doesn't give you any option to view the password. It is due to the security reasons. Not much apps give you the option to view the password within the app. Now the trick here is, what you can do is, if you don't remember your password, then you can simply open up Roblox, log out to your account, but you want to make sure that you have access to your account, right? So tap on more, scroll down, tap on log out and log it out. Once you have logged out, you'll be on the login page back again. Tap on sign in. Once you tap on sign in here, I'll just cancel this sign in. You can see the forgot password option. You're going to tap on it, and now you can go ahead and go through the prompts to reset your password using the email or phone number. Either ways, simply enter your email or phone number and then tap on submit, and it'll send you the link to reset your password, and you're going to set your password. So if this video was helpful, do like and subscribe as well.